Hey, today we're gonna see a beginner song, Knockin' on Heaven's Door by Bob Dylan. But we also see the difference with the Guns N' Roses version, and I will give you tips to change the chord. Let's go! So we start with the G chord, and you have to put these two fingers at the same time at the 3rd fret. If you need, practice this move. Then you put the first finger at the 2nd fret to the A string and the middle finger at the 3rd fret. Also try to put both fingers at the same time. To go to the D chord, we remove these two fingers and the little finger. You must know how to remove the 3 fingers. We put the middle finger to the E string and the first finger to the G string at the 2nd fret. Now to go to the A minor chord, we take off these 2 fingers and we put the first finger at the 1st fret to the B string, and at the same time you put the 2 middle fingers to the D and G string. Now we take off these 2 fingers and we put the 2 little fingers for go back on the G chord. Another time we take off the 3 fingers for go on the D chord. We take off these 2 fingers to be able to put the first finger on the 1st fret to arrive on the C chord. You must put these 2 fingers at the same time, so if you need practice this move, you must be able to do your chords in just 2 steps. And we take off these 2 fingers for go back on the G chord and we start again. Okay, now more faster. Okay, you must be able to do that before adding the rhythm. There are always the same chord in the version of Bob Dylan, and for the one of the Guns N' Roses, you play this chord on the bass and you replace the A minor chord by the C chord the rest of the time. Okay, so we have down, down without playing, down, down, up, another time. More faster. Again. One last time. It's the same on the D chord. We start the same with the A minor chord. And we add another time. All the rhythm on the A minor. Okay, another time. Of course, it's the same rhythm on the C chord. To start, practice yourself to remove these 2 fingers just before the up. This will give you time to go on the D chord like this. Okay, practice doing this. To go to the A chord, you take off the 3 fingers before the up. Here the easiest is to put your finger before the up. So practice this move. Or else you can remove all the fingers on the up. But you have to know how to make your chord faster. Thanks for watching, I wish you a good practice. See you!